Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by placing your JSON into assets/data. JSON so Flutter can bundle it. Once done, declare that path in PubSpec. YAML under Flutter, assets, and run Flutter pub get. This makes the file loadable at runtime. Make sure the indentation and hyphen are correct in PubSpec. YAML, because YAML errors prevent loading. You do this first to separate data from code, which simplifies hot reload testing and prevents hardcoding strings into widgets. Next, you load the file asynchronously, await root bundle, load string assets/data. JSON so the UI stays responsive, then decode the string with JSON. Decode to get a map or list. Next, map entries into Dart model classes using from JSON constructors. This enforces types and catches errors early. Also, once decoded, consider using compute. For heavy parsing off the main thread, this prevents jank. Make sure your model fields match JSON keys or handle missing keys gracefully. Finally, you wire parsed models into the UI via future builder, provider, or set state depending on complexity, so widgets rebuild when data arrives. Once done, validate field nullability and wrap decoding in try/catch to surface errors gracefully. If performance matters, cache parsed models and reuse them. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing loads, check PubSpec indentation and the asset path. Then log the raw string to verify file content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.